What are accountability and deterrence in information security? In this video, we will try to understand that. When a user logs in using his username or email address and password, the username or email address helps in the identification of the user and the password helps in the authentication of the user. We have already discussed identification and authentication in one of our previous videos. The link is provided in the description. After the user logs in, the authorization process ensures that the authenticated user can access only the resources the user is entitled to access. We have also discussed authorization and access control in another video. The link is provided in the description. We need to also ensure that an authenticated user behaves according to the rules, business conduct, and ethics of the organization. In other words, we need to hold an authenticated user accountable for all his activities, and we take several measures to ensure accountability. For example, we can review the organization's records or information to ensure an authenticated user is held responsible for any wrongdoing. These are examples of auditing. We have discussed accountability and auditing in another video. The link is provided in the description. So, accountability acts as a deterrent against misbehavior in an environment. For example, if users know that they are being monitored and will be held accountable for any wrongdoing, they will think twice before breaking any rules or policies of an organization. Hence, auditing and monitoring help in deterrence. I hope this helps. Interested viewers who want to know more, please visit the website of the Security Buddy or refer to the playlist Information Security. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.